you know, you at least get that smell. That's good, right? Give her one last little brush. This one's still fairly clean, so I may continue with the waste oil on this because it's done really well. But I'm not going crazy. I'm not gonna mix like half and half. I'm gonna go dump this and come back. So super easy. I just burn it. Nothing special about that. It's more or less to kind of dry it out as well. Like I said, kind of finish cleaning up. It does get this kind of warm too.